The impact of saturated fat on human health. 1. The impact of saturated fat on heart health. Saturated fats, predominantly found in animal products such as meat, butter, and cheese, as well as in certain plant oils like coconut and palm oil, have been a focal point in discussions about cardiovascular health for decades. Traditionally, these fats have been linked to increased cholesterol levels and a higher risk of heart disease. However, emerging research is prompting a re-evaluation of their role in overall health, particularly concerning mental well-being. Recent studies indicate that saturated fats may have a more complex relationship with the body than previously understood. While excessive intake is still cautioned against due to potential cardiovascular risks, some evidence suggests that these fats could influence brain function and mental health. For instance, certain saturated fatty acids may play a role in the structural integrity of brain cells and the regulation of mood-related hormones. It is crucial for individuals to consider the broader implications of dietary choices on both physical and mental health. Balancing the intake of saturated fats with other nutrient-rich foods can contribute to a holistic approach to wellness. As research continues to evolve, it becomes increasingly important for dietary guidelines to reflect the nuanced roles these fats play in our health. 2. The impact of dietary fats on brain health. Understanding the intricate relationship between dietary fats and brain health is crucial for optimizing cognitive function and mood regulation. The human brain, comprised of nearly 60% fat, relies heavily on these nutrients to maintain its structural integrity and functionality. However, not all fats are created equal, and their effects on the brain can vary significantly. Saturated fats, commonly found in animal products and processed foods, have been shown to alter the composition of cell membranes. This alteration can affect neurotransmitter pathways, which are essential for mood regulation and cognitive processes. Such changes may lead to disruptions in brain function, potentially impacting mental health and cognitive performance. In contrast, unsaturated fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acids found in fish, nuts, and seeds, are known to support brain health positively. These healthy fats contribute to maintaining flexible cell membranes and promoting efficient neurotransmission. Given the critical role that fats play in brain health, it is essential to prioritize the consumption of healthy fats while minimizing saturated fat intake. By doing so, individuals can support optimal brain function, enhance mood stability, and potentially reduce the risk of cognitive decline. 3. Research findings. Recent research has highlighted a possible connection between the consumption of saturated fats and the risk of developing mood disorders, such as depression and anxiety. Studies suggest that diets high in saturated fats may contribute to inflammation, a condition increasingly linked to mental health issues. Inflammation is known to have various adverse effects on the brain, potentially leading to mood disturbances. Furthermore, excessive intake of saturated fats may negatively impact cognitive functions, including memory and cognitive flexibility. This impairment underscores the importance of maintaining a balanced diet for optimal brain health. Cognitive flexibility is crucial for problem-solving and adapting to new situations, and its decline can affect daily functioning and quality of life. These findings emphasize the need for dietary awareness and moderation in saturated fat consumption. While further research is necessary to fully understand the mechanisms involved, adopting a diet rich in diverse nutrients and low in saturated fats could be beneficial for both mental and cognitive health. Health professionals may consider these insights when advising patients on dietary choices to support overall well-being. 4. Balancing your diet. In the pursuit of a balanced diet, it is crucial to understand the role of fats, particularly the distinction between saturated and unsaturated fats. While reducing saturated fat intake is beneficial for both physical and mental well-being, the elimination of all fats is neither necessary nor advisable. Healthy fats, especially omega-3 fatty acids, play a pivotal role in maintaining optimal health. Omega-3 fatty acids are primarily found in fish, nuts, and seeds, and are renowned for their positive impact on brain health. These essential fats have been linked to improved cognitive function and mood enhancement. Incorporating them into your diet can contribute to emotional stability and overall mental clarity. Furthermore, omega-3s support cardiovascular health by reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of heart disease. Including a variety of sources such as salmon, walnuts, and chia seeds in your meals can ensure you receive these vital nutrients. 5. Practical tips. Maintaining a diet that supports mental well-being is crucial for overall health. A balanced diet not only fuels the body but also nurtures the mind. To achieve this, consider incorporating specific food choices into your daily routine. Firstly, opt for lean meats and low-fat dairy products. These provide essential nutrients without the excess saturated fats that can negatively impact mental clarity. Additionally, replacing butter with healthier alternatives such as olive oil or avocado oil can significantly enhance your diet. These oils are rich in monounsaturated fats, which are known to support brain health. Including fatty fish like salmon in your weekly meals is another beneficial practice. Salmon is high in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to reduced symptoms of depression and anxiety. For a healthy fat boost, snack on nuts and seeds. These not only offer a satisfying crunch but also supply the brain with vital nutrients. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better understand the role of saturated fats in our diet. As we've explored, these fats are a necessary component, but maintaining a balance with healthier alternatives can significantly enhance both our physical and mental well-being. We hope this information has been valuable and encourages you to make informed choices that support a healthier lifestyle. If you found this content helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay updated with the latest insights and tips on nutrition and health. Your support helps us continue to provide quality content that empowers you to make positive changes in your life. Thank you for watching.